tools of trade, driving down them country lanes. Dan and his torch, they're a well-known name, fixing what's broke, rain or shine just the same. Stealing sparks under an open sky, patching up the old and the spry, from broken gates to rusted plows, a craftsman's touch that this land allows. Wildseed's there when the barn door grinds, when hinges fail and the daylight shines. Mobile Welding, always on the run, mending dreams under the southern sun. Farms know that they can depend on a steady hand, on a trusted friend. From dawn's first light till the twilight fades, forging futures and making great. Each weld tells a story of strength, renewed, of weathered iron and lives we've glued. It's more than work, it's a country creed, in our hearts and in each welded bead. Wildseed's there when the barn door grinds, when hinges fail and the daylight shines. Mobile Welding, always on the run, mending dreams under the southern sun.